We have developed a unique consumer and entrepreneurial literacy program. Previous work has focused on at least two key elements that individuals living in subsistence need to participate in marketplaces as consumers or as entrepreneurs, financial resources such as through microfinancing and market access. We focus on a third key element, marketplace literacy. We conducted research aimed at understanding life circumstances and marketplaces in subsistence contexts in urban and rural parts of South India. The research provided an understanding of strengths and vulnerabilities of individuals. Using the research as a basis, a consumer and entrepreneurial literacy educational program was developed that does not focus on basic literacy but on marketplace literacy. Thus, the program assumes that our audience cannot read or write. The core team developing the educational program combined decades of experience in business education and consumer research at a leading university in the US and social work and community development. This program uses Know Why, or an understanding of marketplaces, as a basis for the know-how of being an informed buyer or seller. Marketplace literacy that manifests itself can be viewed at three levels. A concrete level comprised of livelihood skills or trades such as cooking, sewing, farming, or working with computers. A relatively more abstract level comprised of know-how, designing products, communicating benefits, or closing a sale. And a third level comprised of Know Why, understanding the nature of exchanges and the marketplace, or the benefits of customer-oriented enterprises. Despite difficulties with abstract thinking that low-literate individuals may experience, we enable deeper understanding of marketplaces by leveraging the social skills that participants bring to the program and relating educational content back to their lived experiences.
We take a bottom-up approach to studying poverty context, and we call this the subsistence marketplaces approach. We want to emphasize that these are pre-existing marketplaces to learn from. These are communities, individuals, and marketplaces from whom we can learn and design. So what is marketplace literacy? It is self-confidence, awareness of rights, and skills in dealing with the marketplace as customers and as entrepreneurs. Now, just to give you an example of what exactly constitutes marketplace literacy, consider a poor woman. She knows how to cook, so she starts a food shop. So this is her vocation or trade. Now, in order to run the business, she needs to know how to design the product, how to build the business, how to promote the products, and so on. But we believe she also needs to know why. Why should she be customer oriented? Why should she choose one business and not some other business? And that is where we start. We have our program in a number of different languages. We have our program in English, Tamil, Spanish, Swahili. We are also able to take our program to a number of new languages as needed. Our first innovation was to identify this gap in marketplace literacy around Know Why and create a program for it. Our second big innovation was to use technology and multimedia to increase the reach of our program. Marketplace literacy is now in 8 countries and reaching close to 50,000 people. Our own teams on the ground in many of these countries and also with partners in some of these countries. So we have no degree of separation with our teams on the ground and 1 degree of separation with our partners. And that's how we think about what we do. We have a number of different partners and teams with different degrees of separation. We also make sure and reach our partners 90% of the way in terms of the educational curriculum. We believe that marketplace literacy is an important element in the 21st century to reduce poverty. If you're interested in being involved, please contact us. Thank you for viewing this video and learning about marketplace literacy.